In this video from Device Doctor, we'll show you how to easily and step-by-step fix the inkbox full error on the Brother DCP-T520W printer and reset it effortlessly. Stay with us.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
When you turn on the printer, you encounter the inkbox full error. Simply press the menu button once, then the mono button, and press the menu button again. The screen will now display Machine Error 4600. Now, use the up button to enter 80. First, select 8 and press OK, then select 0 and press OK. Now, use the up button to enter 80. First, select 8 and press OK, then select 0 and press OK. When the error code appears on the screen, press the mono button repeatedly to navigate through the options until you find Purge Count. Once you see it, press OK to select it. You will now see that the print count of this machine has reached 7719 and it can no longer print. The system needs to be reset. Now, use the up button to enter the number 2783 step by step. First, select the number 2 and press OK, then select 7 and press OK, followed by 8 and OK, and finally 3 and press OK. Now, you'll see that the printer's memory has been reset to 0 and is empty. In the final step, unplug the printer's power cable and then plug it back in. Now, once you turn the printer back on, the screen will display 100% normal, indicating that the printer is functioning properly again. This means the issue with the inkbox full error has been resolved. I hope this guide helped you fix your printer. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Device Doctor for more helpful tips.